Welcome, soul-seeking connection. Today I will guide you through a shamanic meditation, an ancient technique that will lead you into the inner realm where your strength, wisdom, and the answers you seek reside. Find a quiet place where your body and spirit can feel safe. Sit in a comfortable position and keep your back straight without leaning. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Now listen to the rhythm of the drum and breathe in time following the rhythm. 2 inhales and 1 exhale. 2 in, 1 out. 2 in, 1 out. Continue until you hear my voice again. Now, return to normal breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth, letting go of all tension. Now, imagine roots growing from your feet and descending deep into the earth, down to the center of the earth. These roots anchor you, nourish you, connect you to the ancient energy of the planet. With each breath, you absorb strength and stability from the earth. Now, imagine a portal in front of you. It could be a cave, an archway made of light, or a path through the trees. This portal leads to your inner world. Take the first step. Go through the portal and find yourself in a sacred landscape unique to you. It could be a forest, a mountain, a desert, or an ancient temple. This is your power space. As you explore this place, feel that you are accompanied. Call your guide animal, a spirit that protects you and offers you wisdom. Don't try to imagine it. Let it present itself to you in the form it desires. Look into your guide animal's eyes. Ask it for a message, symbol, or response. Listen with your heart, without judgment. You may receive words, images, or feelings. Whatever emerges, accept it as a gift. Give thanks to your guiding animal in your sacred landscape. Know that you can return here whenever you wish. Slowly go back. Go through the portal and feel your body again. The weight on the earth, the roots that keep you stable. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale strength, exhale gratitude, and when you are ready, open your eyes, taking the wisdom of this journey with you. Your journey has just begun. The shamanic technique is within you. Just listen.